What is the difference between CCF and therms in gas? Imagine you're filling a balloon with air, but instead of just counting how much air goes in, you want to know how much heat that air can produce. That's kind of what these units do for natural gas. They help us understand not just how much gas we're using, but how much energy that gas provides. Now, let's break down what each of these measurements really means. First, CCF stands for 100 cubic feet. It measures the volume of natural gas, meaning how much space the gas takes up. If your gas meter shows an increase of 5 CCF, it means 500 cubic feet of gas has flowed through the meter. Utility companies usually read these meters in cubic feet, and your bill is based on how many CCFs you've used. Think of it like measuring water in gallons or liters, but in this case, it's natural gas in cubic feet. On the other hand, therms measure the actual energy content of the gas. 1 therm equals 100,000 British thermal units. British thermal units are a way to measure heat energy, like how much heat it takes to warm up a pound of water by 1 degree Fahrenheit. Because natural gas varies in its composition, therms give a consistent way to see how much heat you're getting from the gas. It's like knowing how much energy you're really paying for, not just the amount of gas. Here's where it gets interesting. Gas meters measure volume in CCF, but your bill is usually in therms. To figure out how much energy you used, the utility company converts the volume in CCF to therms using a special factor. This factor accounts for the heat content of the gas, which can change each month depending on where the gas comes from and its quality. So, even if you use the same number of CCFs every month, your therms might change because the energy content of the gas varies. To sum it up, CCF measures the amount of gas in terms of volume, like counting how many cubic feet of gas pass through your meter. Therms measure the energy or heat value of that gas, giving a more accurate picture of how much heating power you're getting. Utility companies take the volume measurement and convert it into therms to bill you based on the actual energy delivered. This way, you're paying for the heat you receive, not just the amount of gas used. Understanding this difference helps you see why your gas bill can change even if your meter reading stays the same.